should not be so complicated if you understand the importance of love and friendship in your life. Vese, you are definitely going to understand this very soon when you'll watch Ahan on your screen, and I'm sure on that. And today we have with us the director and the main lead actors of this movie. So it feels immense pleasure to welcome all of them here in Punjab Kesri. Welcome Nikhil, welcome Arif, welcome Abul. So starting from you, Nikhil,
Thank you.
how are you?
I'm doing good.
Arif, how are you?
हाँ, मैं गुड मैं ठीक हूँ आपका क्या हाल है
बिल्कुल
ऑल
बढ़िया,
गुड
एकदम परफेक्ट। आबुल, सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइटेड तो आप होंगे मुझे लगता है ना?
Yeah,
वेरी
I'll be
नाइस।
fine.
ओके, सो निखिल, जब मैंने ट्रेलर देखा ना, मैंने अभी आरिफ से भी बात की इस बारे में, और मुझे आई एम जस्ट इन लव विद द ट्रेलर, है ना? तो मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी एक प्यारी सी फिल्म बनाने के लिए ना, एक डायरेक्टर के अंदर भी बहुत सारा प्यार होना जरूरी है। सो व्हाट इज दैट सोर्स ऑफ लव इनसाइड यू?
Firstly, thank you for saying this such warm words. Uh, I don't know, like for example, I mean, with life you learn a lot. You sort of your perspective changes through life. I also practice Buddhism, which is a philosophy of life. So
Oh wow.
somehow it helps you to understand life and human emotion a lot better. And somehow then that you want to sort of I mean, by default, it translates into the work you do.
Hmm.
I guess so. So, I think maybe that's the source because you see life from a very, you want to sort of talk about the way you see life. So maybe it's from my understanding of the deeper understanding of life I have, in the last few years.
Okay. Arif sir, we have seen like a wonderful chemistry between you and Abul on screen. And I'm sure कि वो करना बहुत like on screen इस तरह से present करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, but we do it very effortlessly. So how do you do that, sir?
उसके लिए थोड़ा सा रिहर्सल करना पड़ा।
Hmm.
अबुली वाज न्यू टू द कैमरा, तो
Hmm.
शुरू में थोड़ी सी आ रही है होती, लेकिन एक बार तो रिदम आ जाती है एक दूसरे की,
Hmm.
समझ में आ जाता है, फिर वो थोड़ा आसान हो जाता है। उसमें एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बड़ा अच्छा था। जो सीन की डिमांड थी और एक स्क्रिप्ट की भी डिमांड थी, तो एक बार वो निकलता था तो इट बिकेम वेरी इजी।
So Abuli is like really strong person and on screen he's looking very cute, है ना? He has acted so very well. Abuli, मुझे ये बताओ, आप चाहते हो सलमान भाई फिल्म देखे, है ना?
Yes, I mean it's Salman Khan.
है ना? So how was
Yeah,
playing your debut on screen? Debut कितना special रहा है आपके लिए?
I'm special.
Wow, that's wonderful. Okay, so Nikhil, if I ask you like, मतलब casting an actor who is मतलब for a differently abled role would have been challenging for you.
Yeah.
So why did you cast Abuli for that?
So mainly to be true to character, because I think with an actor playing that, I wouldn't think it would have its originality. I don't think it would have its authenticity. It wouldn't be really the way Abuli talks, walks, and maybe everything, the mannerisms, everything. So I was clear that if you're doing something like this, then don't have a caricature-ish character. Don't have an actor with prosthetics and sort of trying and to be that character. Rather have the character himself and do some workshops and get him to act. And that's what we did. And and Abhi's done a fantastic job. I think he's really sort of I think after 3 or 4 days of shoots of the shoot, he really sort of warmed up with the whole process, and and the result is here in front of all of us.
Obviously. Arif sir, if I ask about like, what did you love the most about your character, and you said yes instantly for this one?
वो कैरेक्टर जो लिखा है उसमें ही हैज ओसीडी, तो मुझे कहीं पढ़ने के बाद या समझने के बाद 2-3 दिन बाद लगा कि यार ओसीडी तो हर आदमी में मौजूद है।
बिल्कुल होता है।
हर आदमी पहले एक तरीके से एक चीज करता है कंसिस्टेंटली, वो उसके बाद ओसीडी बन जाती है।
हाँ।
कई छोटी मोटी चीजें हैं ऐसी, वो सुबह चाय का कप पीना या कॉफी पीना एक समय पे, आप टॉयलेट में पेपर पढ़ते हैं, आप दरवाजे से बाहर एक तरफ से जाते हैं, आप एक फेवरेट पेन होती है मेरी फेवरेट, तो वो ऑल दीज सटल सिम्पटम्स आर ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, इन मॉडर्न टर्मिनोलॉजी उसको ओसीडी बोलते हैं। तो मुझे लगा ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है। और कोइंसिडेंटली देखिए, इस कैरेक्टर को ओसीडी है अबाउट डस्ट एंड कीपिंग एवरीथिंग क्लीन।
ओके।
और लास्ट ईयर कोविड आ गया, अब हर आदमी ओसीडी बन गया है। Everybody
True
has
that.
become to a large extent my character. क्योंकि हर आदमी आज सफाई के लिए इतना पीछे पागल हो गया है कि सब चीज साफ रखो, माहौल को साफ रखो, धूल नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड फीवर. तो कहीं एक सारी पृथ्वी एक ओसीडी वाली बन गई है फिलहाल. इट स्टार्टेड, आई थिंक द कैरेक्टर हैड दैट ट्रेट
एक्चुअली. तो वही मैं निखिल से भी जानना चाह रही थी कि निखिल, देयर इज अ डायलॉग इन द ट्रेलर, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर, वी कॉम्प्लिकेट आवर लाइफ. वाज दैट अ रियलाइजेशन फॉर यू इन द लॉकडाउन और बिफोर कोविड इट हैपेंड टू यू?
No, before COVID. This film was shot way before COVID. Yeah, so it was way before COVID. Like I've always observed, generally, we tend to complicate things which are not complicated. And what's the point of it? Because ultimately you're troubling your own self. Keep it simple, keep it easy. You'll enjoy life. The other person will enjoy life. So I wanted to sort of, it's come out very naturally in dialogue also. It's Arif Bhai's dialogue,
Actually.
and I think it's resonated with everybody. He's talking about Ahan, but yeah, I mean, he said, and I think it's so I think it was a realization from quite some time, and I wanted to bring it in.
So Abuli, how was working with Arif sir and Nikhil?
Good.
You must have had like fun on the sets also, na?
Best.
Best?
Yes.
परफेक्ट रहा मतलब, है ना? तो वही मैं निखिल से भी, है ना, निखिल से भी जानना चाह रही थी, what all kind of special training been given to Abuli, like to act on screen? It must have been challenging for you, no?
It was a process. I would say it was an exciting process, So we started off with doing some workshops initially. Like when I met him first, I was like, I wanted to do a basic shoot in terms of how he's able to maybe come on the mark and maybe say a line, probably do an entry exit and all those things. And he did it with a lot of enthusiasm. So I was like, okay, now's the time to, first I shot solo with him. Then I sort of roped in a few actors for a test shoot, and then we actually did this 2-day, shoot. So before we got our actual actors on board and started doing lines, we actually shot a couple of days, how we would shoot and just see how he would perform with actors. And that turned out well, and he really was able to catch on the pulse. Of course, there were a lot of retakes, but we were, we factored that in. So then, as and when, so basically, as and when the actors one by one came on board, we started workshopping, with each one of them, going through the lines. And I think, so I think that whole process was, I think was very important. And I think Abuli also really warmed up, to what is involved in that whole thing, because we actually put a camera in front. He never done that before. He never performed for camera. So on day one of actual shoot, he was at least like somewhere acquainted in terms of what this is all about. So that process really helped, I think.
Arif sir, if I want to know, you yourself are a director, है ना? And when a person like Nikhil is directing you, so आपसे तो इनको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा, I'm sure, निखिल को भी ना?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. आई थिंक जब मैं सेट पे जाता हूँ सारी दूसरी टोपियां अलग रख देता हूँ. जो डायरेक्टर को चाहता है, वो इट बिकम्स लिटिल इजियर, बिकॉज क्या होता है, आपका विजन एक छोटा सा दायरा होता है पूरे प्रोजेक्ट. तो डायरेक्टर का ओवरऑल विजन इज वेरी बिगर एंड इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड ही नोज लॉट अबाउट एवरीथिंग. सो इट्स गुड टू एक्चुअली, मतलब डायरेक्टर के चरणों में जाके बैठ जाना, वही एक पीस का जो रास्ता वही होता है कि भाई जो तू चाह रहा है वो कर ले. आई डोंट नीड टू सुपर इम्पोज माय आइडियोलॉजी. और हाँ, सजेशन होता है, थोड़ा सा इम्प्रोवाइजेशन का, दैट्स नॉर्मल. बहुत भारी ऐसा मैं कुछ पैकेज लेके नहीं आता, एक्सपीरियंस का या नॉलेज का या मटेरियल उन्होंने लिखा है, इट इज हिज, good or bad, he'll have to bet. Like I'm just doing what I'm supposed to.
And the same thing I would like to ask from Nikhil also. Yeah, वही मैं पूछना चाह रही थी. How was directing a seasoned actor like Arif?
Yeah, I would say amazing. The whole experience was fantastic because he was such a prepared actor, and of course he's a method actor, and it didn't take time for him to get into that character. Like I think from day one he came like that character, and I think from the first scene itself I was like, wow, this is going to work like magic. So it was fantastic, and to see that whole screen chemistry between Abuli and Arif, I think to see them together was very exciting while shooting, and it's come out lovely, as beyond my expectation. In fact, in the final edit, in the final cut of the film. So yeah, the overall experience of working with this stellar cast has been really, really amazing, and enriching experience, I would say.
This would be a masterpiece, I believe, है ना? So if I ask you, मतलब I will ask Nikhil also this same question. But do you think like this kind of a film has a mass appeal, or what would people take away from this?
I think it uplifts you. It is good, especially इस दौरान जब आ रही है, it kind of uplifts you a little bit with all your problems. It releases all your stress because you're seeing on character a person who is unfortunately born in a certain way, who's so happy about everything around him. And he's not an actor playing that role. He is himself. So when you see somebody, I cried because I had no shoes till I saw a man who had no feet. वो एक syndrome, I think audience जब देखेगी तो उनके जहन में आएगा कि यार ये बंदा इतना खुश दिखाया है, इसको बेचारा little different from us in a way. But ये अगर इतनी खुशी प्रकट करता है, इतना he's so happy, इतना खुश मिजाज है और हर situation को ऐसे हंस के निकालता है, तो who are we to complain? I think that is what the message would be. It might, and I hope it does, uplift you for a little while in time, especially in today's time. It should make you feel happy because we are stressed and we have become very complicated last 1 year with ourselves and with the world around. So this hopefully should simplify our life for a brief moment of time. मुझे लगता है.
Now, Arif sir, what are your realizations ऐसे?
Realization यही है कि health is wealth और enjoy every moment of your life. और हर खाना ऐसे खाओ कि आखिरी खाना हो सकता है. So enjoy it and relish every day, every moment or every week. I think that's the bottom line of the whole thought process in the pandemic. Pandemic चल तो रहा है, खत्म कहाँ हुआ है?
अभी नहीं हुआ खत्म, obviously.
कई चीजें 3 महीने बाद भी परत खुल सकती है, कुछ और realization भी आ सकता है. Who knows यार?
I think ये मार्च का महीना ना वैनिश हो जाना चाहिए. पिछली बार भी मार्च में ऐसा कुछ हुआ था, अभी भी ऐसा लग रहा है दोबारा.
मुझे लगता है जिंदगी भर रहेगा ये साथ में, कई सालों तक निकलने नहीं वाला. लोग डर के मारे पहनेंगे. You never know. इतनी बड़ी कंट्री है, इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड स्ट्राटा है हमारे सोसाइटी के, कंजेस्टेड एरियाज है, तो मास्क माइट बी अराउंड फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम.
So Nikhil, my one last question to you is like in this era of like commercial movies, है ना, we all are watching. So do you think that story, this kind of a story, है ना, would be well accepted by the audience, or they'll take away good or special things about this movie?
I think so. I think so because as much as everybody likes a mainstream, like the popular Bollywood film, like I think small films like these, which sort of have a heart in the right place, also resonate with people, and somewhere people want different cinema. You just don't want the same kind of stuff. And what we've tried to do is give a unique experience in presenting a small story with sort of a big heart, and so just hoping that everyone connects with it, and that's it.
So all the very best to all of you, to Nikhil, to Arif, and my special good luck wishes to Abuli also for the film, since it's his debut, so it must have been very special for him also. All the very, very best, Abuli.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Namita.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone, for talking to us. Thank you.